Making an air conditioner, AC, at home can be a complex and potentially dangerous project that requires specialized knowledge and equipment. We do not recommend attempting to build an AC unit from scratch unless you are a trained professional with the appropriate tools and safety precautions. However, there are some DIY solutions that can help cool down a room without requiring the construction of a full AC unit. Here are some ideas. Use a fan. While a fan doesn't actually cool the air, it can create a breeze that makes you feel cooler. Position the fan near an open window or door to draw in cool air from outside. Make a homemade air cooler. You can create a simple air cooler by filling a bowl or bucket with ice and placing it in front of a fan. As the air blows over the ice, it will be cooled down and provide a refreshing breeze. Block out sunlight. Sunlight can heat up a room quickly, especially in the summer. Use blinds, curtains, or shades to block out sunlight during the hottest parts of the day. Increase ventilation. Improve air circulation in your home by opening windows and doors when the outside temperature is cooler than inside. Use window fans or exhaust fans to pull hot air out of the house. Use a portable AC unit. Portable AC units are designed to cool a single room and can be purchased at many home improvement stores or online. These units are relatively easy to set up and can be a cost-effective solution for temporary cooling. Remember, safety should always come first when dealing with electrical equipment. If you are not sure about a project, it's better to seek professional advice.